Model 2017 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI long Euro 6 spares OR repairs 97k body, silver, panel van mileage, 97,517 MOT, the 30th of June 2024 engine, 2,143 CCOM 651 140 HP Mi-2B transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, tries to fire but doesn't start timing chain has slipped. Should be a nice easy repair for someone that knows what they are doing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £12,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,